severe thunderstorm was located over Hollywood Park, or near San Antonio International Airport, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Update.
This is a destructive storm for northern Bexar County. Hazard: baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured.
Rest in peace, Philip.
Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include San Antonio, New Braunfels, Shirts, Cibolo, Converse, Universal City, Live Oak, Selma, San Antonio International Airport, Randolph Air Force Base, Leon Valley, Helotes, Fair Oaks Ranch, Kirby, Alamo Heights, Windcrest, Terrell Hills, Bulverde, Garden Ridge, and Chavano Park. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Bandera County, Real County, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Vance, or 13 miles northwest of Leakey, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Leakey, Vanderpool, Vance, Lost Maples State Natural Area. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas. A severe